Hello guys, this is Zod Anjum and you watching Steno Techniques for Learning Shorthand. In today's video we will start our course according to Pitman Shorthand. Firstly we are discussing the consonants. Consonants are the result of audible friction or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. Now we come to the forms of consonants. For the representation of all the consonant sounds, except W, Y, and the aspirate H, the simplest geometrical forms are used, namely the straight line and the shallow curve, like this. Here is only diagrams. I will tell you all the shapes and angles later by writing them. Before writing and practicing, the pencil must be sharpened accurately. We have made a video of sharpening a pencil accurately. The link is in description. Now we discuss classes of consonants. The first 8 consonants, represented by straight strokes, are called explodants, because, in pronouncing them, the outgoing breath is forced in a sudden gust through barriers previously closed. We write these strokes with patience and slowly underscore. P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, Gay. We will discuss their writing styles later. Just keep in mind that these strokes, P, B, T, D, Ch, and J, are called downward straight strokes. The angle of P and B is 60 degree, the angle of T and D is 90 degree and the angle of Ch and J is 120 degree. K and Gay are horizontal strokes. The next 8, represented by upright or sloping curves, are called continuants, because in uttering these the outgoing breath, instead of being expelled suddenly, is allowed to escape in a continuous stream through similar barriers partially open. These stroke shapes are the same but their directions are different. F, V, Ith, V, S, Z, Ish, Yi. The consonant J is not Z, its phonetic pronunciation is Yi. These curved strokes should be thick in the middle only and should taper off at each end. Then the next form of consonant is nasals. It, represented by a horizontal curve, is produced by closing the successive barriers in the mouth against the outgoing airstream, so that it has to escape through the nose. And these strokes write in this way. M, N,
Eng.
We write these strokes with patience. M, N,
Eng.
While practicing, speaking and listening must be important. We are going to discuss the consonants L and R. The consonants L and R form the left and right side of an arch. The consonant L is most commonly written upwards, but it may be written downward in certain cases in accordance with rules which will be explained later. Here I am showing you how to write these two consonants. L, R. L is from the left side of the arch. And R is from the right side of the arch. Ray is represented by a straight line upward at the angle of 150 degrees. This is commonly joined with straight strokes like itself. Here I am writing to clarify to you all. L R Ray. Very easy to write, if you will hold the pencil smoothly. Now we discuss second last form of consonants, the coalescence, precede vowels and coalesce or unite with them. Way. Way. Yay. Yay. Keep in mind that the angle of these two strokes is 150 degrees. The last one, aspirate, is breathing upon the following vowel. Thus, by breathing upon the vowel a in the word at, the word is changed into hat. Now we are going to discuss pairs of consonants. The first 16 consonants from pairs are in the following: P and B, T and D, Ch and J, K and Gay, F and V, Ith and Thee, S and Z, Ish and Ye. The sound is light in the first consonant of each pair and heavy in the second. The consonants of each pair are represented by the same stroke, but for the second consonant this is written thick instead of thin, as P, B, T, D, Che, J, K, Gay, F, V, Ith, V, S, Z, Ish, Ye. We are understanding and writing consonants accurately, therefore we have to focus on the size of each consonant. The consonants should be written about 1/6 of an inch long as in these pages. The student learns to form the whole of the strokes uniformly as to length. Whatever size be adopted, all the strokes should be made equal in length. There are some principles for writing strokes half the normal length. The student should obtain a fixed and strictly uniform length from the start. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.